Today, getting a car wash for this bike. After a very long 300-mile run, this thing needs to be washed. Looks like it works. I couldn't get it to work, yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's up. Alright, time to see how this sounds. So, got the quarters, just walked into Wendy's, got some food and was like, hey, I need quarters. They gave me all their quarters. It was literally all their quarters. I felt bad. But time to finally get a car wash. Now that we got the quarters, we're gonna see if the actual car wash part works. So I would not be surprised if it didn't. See if this works. Nice. A few stops and a wet backpack later, we have a clean bike.